In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your deleted videos on YouTube. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you have deleted some videos from your YouTube channel and now you want to recover them, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar you need to type youtube.com/support and click on search. Okay, now click on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screens. Then scroll down and tap on submit feedback. Click on next. Okay, now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to write down that you deleted some of your videos from your YouTube channel and now you want to recover them. Personally, I would suggest that you just copy paste the paragraph that I have given in description below. Once you have done that, click on the send option, and after you click on send, within the next 24 hours your deleted videos on YouTube will be recovered. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.